Hello everyone, I am Deborah. You already know on this channel I am bringing you low carb versions to a lot of the foods that we are familiar with and we have come to love. That includes a Thanksgiving menu, you guys, that I put together last year, which included mac and cheese, garlic mashed potatoes, gravy, cornbread, dressing, a blueberry dump cake. You guys, are you hungry yet? Let me tell you, if you have not yet tried any of those recipes, check it out. I'll leave the playlist in that card above. Absolutely delicious. But this year, what I decided to do is to show you some of the tools of the trade that I use to put all of that deliciousness together. You all know, you guys, when you are getting ready to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, the last thing that you want to encounter is not having the correct tools of the trade that help you to be the most effective and efficient in your cooking. So that's why I decided to come to you and let you know the things that I use, not only for Thanksgiving, but each and every time I come into my kitchen. These are my go-to items. So you guys, I have broken everything down into 4 different categories, which I'm going to show you today. Those categories being prepware, cookware and bakeware, accessories and tools, and then finally servers. And one other thing that I think I should mention is that this video is not sponsored. However, if you do happen to purchase any of the items via the link that I'm going to use in my description, then I may get a small commission from Amazon, which is the vendor that I purchase all these items from. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into my tools of the trade. First up are my glass mixing bowl. This is a 7-piece set, and I have 4 2-cup bowls, a 6-cup, 10-cup, and then finally a 14-cup. And you guys, these bowls will suit all of my mixing needs. They are heat proof up to 450 degrees, dishwasher and microwave safe. And they look so good, you guys, that I have to tell you, I also use them to serve as well. You've heard that expression, measure twice, cut once. That is an expression that they use in the building industry, and that is to ensure that when you are getting ready to cut something that is very expensive, if you do not measure properly, okay, then you have just messed up the material that you're about ready to use. So, very similar in the kitchen, you guys. When you are baking and cooking stuff, you want to make sure that your measurements are precise and accurate. Otherwise, you can end up with a mess. So, because of that, you want a reliable kitchen scale, which is exactly what I have here. This is an 11-pound capacity. You are able to use between units very, very easily. It also has a removable tray. It's compact, and it is easy to store. And in addition, you guys, if you are counting the macros just as I am, this is a must-have because you will also get your measurements in grams. This NutriBullet blender is also a go-to here in my kitchen because it is compact. I absolutely love that about it. It's very easy to clean, and I use this, guys, for making smoothies. It will blend frozen products, and I also use it for food prep. Some of the things that I've used as far as food prep are concerned are I will take some shredded Parmesan cheese, put it in here, and I can turn it into grated Parmesan cheese, and I will also use this to take granulated sweetener and turn it into powdered sweetener. Absolutely love this personal blender. Safe food handling is absolutely important when you are cooking in your kitchen. So this year what I decided to do is to invest in a stainless steel cutting board. And that way I can avoid cross-contamination. I use this one strictly for meats. I love it because it is in fact stainless steel. It is double-sided. It's easy to clean. It's non-porous. So when I am finished with cutting up my meats, I hand wash it with some hot soapy water, make sure I sanitize it well, I dry it off, and you guys, and this is ready for the next use. For all my other cutting board needs, it does not get any better than this dark walnut John Boos cutting board. You guys, this thing is a workhorse. Absolutely love, love, love it. It is reversible. Can use it on both sides. It is kind to our fine cutlery. It's got these recessed handles to make it easy to move about. And this cutting board is made from sustainably sourced, hand-selected American black walnut wood. And this is going to stand the test of times, and I absolutely love having this as an addition to my kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome back. And the reason why I say welcome back is because it is the next day. You guys, I started this segment late last night, and yeah, it was movie night, so it was time to wrap things up. So I am fresh, ready to go on this brand new day. So I got my coffee here. This coffee is, I have to say, magnificent as well. If you've not yet seen my sweet vanilla cream recipe, oh, you guys, so good. And you will also see the white chocolate mocha recipe. If you've not seen them, check it out in that card above. But let's go ahead and get right back into my tools of the trade. This 10-piece Carrot white granite ultra non-stick cookware is everything, you guys. Not only does it look magnificent, but it performs magnificently as well. Love, love, love this cookware. It is ultra non-stick. It is easy to clean. It's suitable for all cooktops, and it distributes heat very well. You guys have got to give this cookware a try. I have been using it now for maybe about the past 3 months, and when I tell you it does not disappoint, happy, happy, happy am I with this cookware. This 10-piece Circulon hard anodized cookware is also a welcome addition to my kitchen. You guys are probably asking, why do you have 2 sets of cookware? Good question, you guys. Well, what ended up happening is Amazon had a sale a few months ago, and I was in for some new cookware. I was tossed between the white granite and this particular one. I ordered them both. Absolutely love them both, you guys, and the value, I could not send one or the other back, so I kept them both, and they both perform brilliantly. Absolutely love, love, love both sets of these cookware. This one is also very easy to clean, even heat distribution. It is dishwasher safe. It is oven proof up to 400 degrees, and it is suitable for all cooktops with the exception of induction. Bake, grill, and cool is exactly what you'll be able to do with this aluminum rack. And you guys, I bake with it. Sometimes I'll put a silicone mat at the bottom if I want to protect the surface when I'm baking. I will use this to cool some of my baked items. This rack has little feet at the bottom, so it elevates it so the air can circulate. And I will also use this if I have cooked some fried things and I want to drain the grease. I'll lay them right on top so that way the grease will drain right off. When I found out that you could fry with no grease and oil, you guys, you know what my reaction was? Prove it. Well, this Cookware air fryer does exactly that. It is 6-quart maximum. It has 11 presets. The basket is dishwasher safe. It came with a cookbook, you guys. It has a shake reminder, and you absolutely love it. It is a game changer for all of us when we want to eat healthier, and it allows us to cook things a lot faster without having to go to the oven. It is that versatile. You could cook anything from meats to vegetables to desserts, you guys. Absolutely phenomenal is this piece of equipment. Have you ever found yourself wishing that you had an extra set of burners? Well, you guys, now you do. Not one, but 2 with this Cuisinart 2-burner hot plate. Love, love, love this, you guys. I use this thing all the time, especially when you have company coming over or for special occasions such as Thanksgiving when you've got a lot of cooking going on. It is a space saver. It is friendly as far as your cookware is concerned. You can put any type of cookware on it, and the temperature for each burner is controlled by independent thermostats. These silicone spatulas are a must-have in my kitchen when you are mixing and stirring and folding, and also these are perfect for use on your stovetop with your non-stick cookware because these are durable up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and these are 600 degrees Fahrenheit. And you already know if you got non-stick cookware, then you have got to be very conscientious of what you use as far as utensils are concerned, so that you do not damage the surface. And you guys, these are absolutely perfect. Also, they are dishwasher safe, and as you can see, they've got these little holes at the top, so if you wanted to hang them to save space in your kitchen drawers, you can do that as well. I keep this 6-piece natural bamboo utensil set right next to my stovetop because, you guys, this is exactly what you need if you do not want to damage your non-stick cookware. Again, it's natural bamboo, which means it's eco-friendly. There's no chemicals, there's no pesticides in it, and it looks really, really good, especially since it comes with its own convenient canister. If you need to grab your food with precision, these tongs will provide exactly that. I've got a set with a silicone tip, which I typically use for my non-stick cookware, again, to protect the surface. And then these are the stainless steel tips. You guys, a must-have in your kitchen. I'm telling you, when you're cooking on the stovetop, you need to flip or stir something. Precision, okay, gives you the ability to do it exactly the way that you need it done quickly and efficiently. And then sometimes I just use it just to toss things in a mixing bowl. Love, love, love these. And also dishwasher safe, heat proof, I think up to 500 degrees. And then also it's got these convenient circles at the top if you want to hang them. Not only do I want things that are functional in my kitchen, but I also want to see things that are aesthetically pleasing. And that is exactly what you get with these metal and wooden utensil holders, you guys. Do I need to say more? Look at how beautiful these are. I've got a large size, I've got a small size. Matter of fact, I keep my tongs in this one next to the stovetop. And look, the large one has so much space in it, and it's open space that allows me to put a lot of my day-to-day utensils in it. Absolutely beautiful, it's durable, and it is aesthetically pleasing and should fit any decor. And another thing, you guys, if you're looking for a wedding gift for somebody, I look at this and I'm sure any bride-to-be would absolutely love, love, love one of these, or both. The kitchen is one of the biggest investments in our home, so we need to protect it, including these sometimes delicate countertops. And we can do that by using these silicone heat mats. Look at this, you guys. It is large in size. It is durable up to approximately 450 degrees. This is wonderful to use next to your cooktop. So that way, when you're cooking and you need to take the pot off, what you can do, because of the large surface, you can just offload all the pots onto this because it is that large enough. Absolutely love this, you guys. And it does come in different colors so that you can find something to fit your aesthetic. Another heat protector that I use are these round and square trivets. And again, you can use these next to the stovetop to put your hot pans on. You can use these to rest your cooking utensils on, or you can use them on the countertop if you have like a hot dish or a hot bowl or a cup. Use these to protect your countertop. And I also like to use these as well, you guys, if I need to like open a jar. It provides a nice grip. And then also, if I am stirring something on a countertop, I would use these as stability to put my bowls on. And that keeps them in place because they are slip-proof. When you need to take the guesswork out of the temperature of your oils or the temperature of your meats, this little thermometer gives you exactly that, you guys. It is an instant read, which means that as soon as you pull out the little lever, it comes on. Just like that. Absolutely love this thing. It is convenient because it is a magnetic body so that you can stick it to a magnetic surface. So it's convenient for you to grab, or if you don't have like a magnetic surface, they've got these little Velcro things, okay, that you can stick it onto something and then stick this onto. It has an extra battery, which I absolutely love. How many times have you started using something just to find out the battery is no longer working and it stops everything in its tracks, not to worry, you got an extra battery here. It also comes with a little guide here, okay? Convenient guide that lets you know what the recommended internal temperatures are of your food, such as the chicken and the beef, etc. Love that as well. And then of course, you can conveniently go from Celsius to Fahrenheit readings. And then when you put that little lever back in, guess what? It shuts it off. Do you love to cook but clean up not so much? Yeah, I hear you guys. Well, one of the things that can cut back on some of the cleanup is these Cookware air fryer liners. In that little basket, you guys. When you put the food at the bottom of it, it gets covered in all the grease and the sauce, whatever else, okay, that covers the food. One of the things that you can use, okay, to prevent some of all of that getting into the bottom of that basket are these parchment liners. You guys, love these things. You got to give them a try. I started using these about a month ago, did not know they even existed. And I was out there on Amazon, this came up, it's like, what? Okay, who forgot to tell me? I got these, and again, absolutely love these things. You let your air fryer warm up first because, you know, it's got air circulation, so you cannot put this in, guys. You cannot put this in with nothing sitting on top, because what's gonna happen, okay, please do believe, I already know, what will happen is the air, okay, will make this rise up to the top, and it's gonna burn, okay? So just keep that in mind when you're using these. Let the air fryer warm up first, and then put this in, and then proceed to put your food on top. But again, as far as the cleanup is concerned, it will definitely significantly cut back on the cleanup. When I'm putting together my table presentation, sometimes I like to have a neutral aesthetic, and these white serving bowls give me exactly that. They are porcelain, dishwasher, microwave safe, and I believe they're oven safe as well. I have to check that out for you guys. You can use them for pasta, salad, soup, and again, serving, which is exactly what I use them for. And if you want to have some color, then they also come in different colors as well. These white porcelain serving platters are a beautiful addition to your table or to your counter. They are, again, made out of porcelain. They come in a small, medium, and large size. They are dishwasher, microwave safe, and also oven proof up to 450 degrees. So that way you can prepare the foods, put it in the oven to warm things up, and put it back on the countertop, you guys. And also you can use these to display your meat, your fruits, your vegetables, or your baked good. And again, they are absolutely beautiful. All right, everyone, so there you have it, my tools of the trade, the things that I go to each and every day to make my life in the kitchen a lot more easy and convenient. I hope you guys enjoy this segment, and if you did, please do remember to give this video a like and share, and remember, if you're not yet done so, to also subscribe to my channel. It was a pleasure being with you today. Continue to enjoy this day. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And remember, you guys, the holidays are coming up. Please remember to remain safe, healthy, and enjoy your family and your friends. And until we meet again, and keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And remember, everything that I brought you today, the links are in the description. And thank you guys so much. And I will see you all real soon. Thanks again.